Hello.
Sorry, I'm late. I was sending a
Hello.
letter.
Yeah, not a problem. I was wondering who it was. You keep coming in on these strange accounts. So are you back at home?
Yeah, I'm back at home. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So was it a successful business trip?
I think so. Actually, I think I learned a lot. They're all senior engineers or
Mm-hmm.
some high level management, like the
Mm-hmm.
CTOs of the
Mm-hmm.
different companies. So
Mm-hmm.
they are pretty. They got rich experiences, and
Mm-hmm. Okay.
their opinions are very insightful.
Mm-hmm. So what was they talking about? What was the what
I will give a brief example. So every industry or the country got their standards,
yes. Mm-hmm.
like your properties. Maybe the concrete, how they should rest, the housings, the frame of the
Yeah.
properties, how
Mm-hmm.
should it built. There are lots of parameters, right? Uh,
Yeah, we call them regulations.
Regulations. Okay. Uh,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
but in details, there are parameters of different kinds,
Mm-hmm.
aspect. Yeah, these kind of parameters mm, are generally are evolving from the past,
Mm-hmm.
maybe from the failure experiences, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe from the practical usage, and
Mm-hmm.
then adopted generations by generations.
Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm.
So as a as a junior engineer, I
Mm-hmm.
know these parameters.
Mm-hmm.
I know how it is, but I
Yes.
did not aware why it is that,
Okay.
how it becomes that, the
Mm-hmm.
history of the
Mm-hmm.
parameter itself, why we
Okay.
should, well, how it evolved this way.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
There are lots of
Okay.
history-related
Mm-hmm.
lessons, I think,
Mm-hmm.
how it's evolved and why we choose this way. Is it too severe,
Mm-hmm.
or we could some sort of thing. I think it's pretty interesting. It's
Okay.
all about the history related.
Yes. So it was history of how the because a lot of the regulations around the world for technical regulations have come from the UK.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you go back in history, they
Uh-huh.
when it comes to what we call the regulations, we call them, first of all, if you say building regulations, if you talk of electrical regulations, right, the
Mm-hmm.
rules that must be followed. Um, in some places, we might call it specifications.
Specifications.
Yes.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
All right.
Specifications is more detail related, I think.
Yes. Yes. So,
Uh, we
so
we call it operation manual.
yes, but yes, that the operation manual is one thing, but then
Mhm.
then you'll have technical parts in it,
Technical. Yeah.
which then you might go into the specification of what you must do to
Mhm.
achieve what's in the operating manual.
So the specifications are in details. The standards are only the general concepts, general
Yes,
items.
yes,
Mhm.
yes, yes. So you have the operation manual, the operation, yes, which you have to follow.
Mhm.
Mm,
So that is only for the users.
yes.
A specification are for the users as well.
Well, we refer to specifications to in any technical information about something. So it can be
Tech-
about
uh-huh.
a machine, for example. That if you go and buy a washing machine, on the back of the washing machine will be the technical specification. What size? What
Technical
size?
data.
Yes. What size motor it's got, and so on and so on. Right. So that will be the technical specification.
The usage of the temperature, the
Yes.
IP levels.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. Yes. All of those sort of things. Okay. So, what would you like to talk about today? What's on your mind today?
Actually, I'm still thinking about the email I last sent. I didn't expect that. Actually, it's 10 p.m. at my time.
Yes.
I sent an email to my boss, and he
Yes.
replied to me instantly.
Okay. You didn't expect that. No.
Yeah, I definitely did not expect that because I'm clarifying the parameter with Chile, with Chile colleagues, the,
Mhm.
South America, the longest country
Chile.
with the Chile, okay,
Chile.
not Chile, 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 yeah,
Yeah, we pronounce it Chile. Yes.
Chile,
Mhm.
okay.
Santiago is the capital.
Santiago is the capital city. Oh, okay.
Yes, that's the capital of Chile, Santiago.
I got a character named Santiago.
Yes,
It's
it's a very famous city in Spain.
oh, okay. Just
Yes.
like London, lots of places are called London too.
Well, not in South America. No, they're all Spanish.
Oh, okay.
Mm,
North America, I think Canada and
is
America.
English, more
Yeah,
English. Yes. Yes, got it. So you had an email from a colleague in Chile.
yeah.
Yes. Okay.
It's in the morning there.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
so
They are there now. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning.
9 o'clock in the morning. Mhm.
Yes.
Oh,
All right. So somebody sent you an email, and then you
oh,
sent it.
it's
Go on.
actually uh, our factory here in Shanghai. We want to bet that the products they use in Chile.
Chile.
Pronounce that
Yeah.
again? Chile.
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 Yes.
Okay, Chile. And the competitors is Hitachi Energy. Did you aware?
Hitachi.
Hitachi Energy.
Yeah. Hitachi, which is
Hitachi.
Japanese.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a Japanese company. Yeah. Uh,
Yes.
uh, there because it got higher requirements
Mm.
and our product can fit, but Hitachi cannot. So
Okay.
we did lots of confirmations about that. The tricky thing is that our product can fit, it's okay, but the test report was done by the name of Berlin factory rather than Shanghai factory.
Okay.
So the customer was not satisfied about that. They
Which you
want,
can understand.
they want us to confirm that the quality, the process, the supplier, the material, lots of things produced from Shanghai, from Berlin factory are identical
To
for the ones,
Shanghai.
yeah, by Shanghai
Yes.
factory. So I was
Yes.
drafting that letter earlier.
Yes. So that's quite an important email, which is why I think your boss replied so quickly.
Yeah. If we wouldn't betting rather than the Hitachi, we got the most of the mm, the market there
Yeah.
for
Yes.
for this one byte. we call it package or some sort of thing. One package maybe
Mhm.
worth several thousands, 1,000 million
That's
in
1
US
billion.
dollars.
That's 1 billion.
1,000.
1,000
Oh no
million.
no 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 no. 10 million US dollars. Oh, I did it
Okay,
wrong.
I was going to say,
10
okay,
million
even
US
then,
dollars.
okay, that's still quite a big order. 10
Yeah,
million, yes,
10 million
$10
US
million.
dollars.
Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. So if you can keep the guy happy or answer his questions in Chile, then he will buy your product.
That's still a figure in for our company. Our company got only 400 guys,
Mhm.
400 guys with annual incoming only maybe two not two 2 billion 2 billion US dollars.
2 billion.
Oh,
That's a
not 2
lot.
billion. 2 billion is 20. No, did it wrong. 2 billion Chinese yuan. 2 billion Chinese yuan. No, not 2 billion US dollars.
Okay, okay. And how much is that in dollars? 2 billion.
100 million.
Okay.
More than 100 million. Two.
Isn't it about 5? Doesn't it? What is it? About 5?
Three. It's 1 versus 7 to 8.
Okay. So no, yeah. So yeah. So it's about 8 RMB to 1 US dollar.
Almost that.
Yes. So if you did
300 million US dollars.
200 million. No, if
2 to 300 million. Yeah.
yeah, yes, yeah. Okay. So that's very good for a factory of your size.
Yeah, it's actually a small size, only 300 people. Yeah,
Yes. Yes. That's quite good.
yeah. Actually, this company is the top, got the most profit interest rate for the whole switchgear industry in China.
Okay.
The
Is the
incomes
most
maybe not that good, but the
Mhm.
interest rate is pretty high.
Not the interest rate, the profitability.
Profitability is a percentage, right?
Yes, but
Okay.
we would say that the profitability, the profit,
Profit
yeah, the
profit
company
percentage.
makes, yes, is very high. Is the highest in for as hang on. Your profit margin, all right? This is
Profit
what we
margin
would
of
say. Your profit margin on turnover in the switch gear
industry.
industry is the highest. I'm not sure I'm spelling all this right. Hang on. The profit margin.
Okay, it's okay. As long as I can understand, it's okay.
Yeah.
You don't have
Yeah.
to,
No. Yeah.
to check out words. Profit margin is
On turnover
percentage.
base. Yeah. Well.
Oh, okay. Profit margin. Okay, got
Yeah.
it.
Profit margin on the turnover. All right.
On the turnover. The turnover
Yeah.
means
Which total money in, total revenue.
total revenue. Okay.
We refer to it as turnover. All right. In the switchgear industry is the highest. Right, in China. That's what I think you're
But
saying to me.
yeah. The profit value itself is pretty low, I think, compared to the local companies. The value itself.
Okay. The value of what?
The value of the profit.
Yeah, but okay,
Or
that doesn't. That,
absolute value of profit
yeah, you're talking of money, numbers. It's
numbers.
like if you turn over 100 million, for example, all right?
Mhm.
If your turnover is 100 million, all right, and you make 25% profit,
Yeah, 20 to 25.
right?
It's the highest in the industry. Usually, other companies
Yes.
only got 5 to 8%
Okay. So why are you so profitable?
because the price is high, much higher than
Yeah, but
the
that's
competitor, 2 times, maybe 3 times higher.
so why would people buy your products?
So it's a brand, the brand itself.
Okay.
Siemens
Yeah,
Energy
but
means high quality for long endurance, long long-term reliabilities.
okay. So yeah, because your brand is what? You're Siemens, aren't you? No?
Siemens Energy, yes,
Yeah,
Siemens
you're Siemens.
Energy.
Yeah, yes. So yeah, so you're selling that it's Siemens so that you're buying quality,
Mhm.
right? And that's why you have to pay for it.
Yeah, it's the price you have to pay. Yeah.
Yes, that's the price you have to pay for the quality. It's like Apple. Why do people buy Apple?
Mhm.
Right?
Yeah.
We all know Apple is expensive.
Mhm.
You can buy cheaper computers than Apple.
Mhm.
But people buy Apple because quality, uh, longevity, life, right? And no maintenance.
No
They don't go
maintenance.
wrong, right?
Yeah.
So in the long term,
Mhm.
it can work out cheaper.
Yeah, yeah. If a cell phone, you can use it 4 or more years. The per year's price, per
We,
year's cost is much lower. Yeah.
yes, yes. To give an example, on a laptop, on a HP, which is quite a good make, HP
Mhm.
best, not even that. The best we got 4 years, right? Then it went wrong, right? And it was the specification was wrong and whatever. You take Apple, 9 years,
Mm.
right? So because we've just replaced one, well,
Mhm.
just replaced. It was last year now, but we replaced a 9-year-old
Mhm.
MacBook Air. Mine
Mhm.
was 8 years old,
8 years old.
right? And
Is
we
the
replaced that.
battery still good? 8 years.
No, changed the battery. I changed the
Uh,
battery twice,
once, twice. Okay.
twice, right? But
Cell phone. I have changed the battery as well.
yes, I've done. I've only again last year, and it still works. I have an iPhone 6. The the only reason not now. No, I had to change it because of the iOS. That's what catches you,
And the
right?
Mac OS, yeah.
Yes. The trouble
The
is,
system itself, the environment itself.
well, you don't get the updates.
Mhm.
I only changed my iPhone 6 because no more updates. The phone was too old. And I only put one new battery in it, and I had it.
Oh,
You can see how long I had it. Um,
10
right?
years, I think.
No, not quite, not quite. But I changed it for the identical. Right? This no, this is an SE. This is still an
SE,
yeah, but this is
SE, yeah.
yeah,
Second
which
generation.
Yes, yes. So this is effectively an iPhone 13.
Mm-hmm.
The inside is an iPhone 13 with one less camera, and I like the screen like this, right? With the button. I like the button.
Buttons.
Yeah, but
I got
I
a
had to.
7 too.
No, that's an SE. That's only 18 months old. But then I've got this one now. I've had to buy this one. No,
What's the brand?
this is Chinese.
I can see from the look. Yeah.
Yes, this is uh, um, I only use it. This is the what do they call it? The Remy.
Redmi.
Redmi. Yeah.
Ah.
But this was cheap. This was only 80 euros. That one was 600 euros.
80 euros.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
1,000 yuan.
And all because my iPhone 6, I needed this to get in and out of my garage. All right.
Why?
Because they've gone and used an app. They've called it's called Homey Hub. All right.
I got that too.
Oh, it's a pain in the neck. Homey, it's an app.
This
Right.
app was not supported on iOS applications.
No. Android.
Or only Google Play, right? Okay.
Yeah. I had it on my iPhone 6, my old one, right?
Mhm.
So I was going to use it. But again, software too advanced for the iPhone 6. Yes. So I had to give up and had to go and buy this so I can use, because I have to use this to get, I'll show you.
You mean open the garage remotely?
Yes. You go like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just
Because
push that.
all garages?
No. Then you just push it. It's broken at the moment, but that's right. And that's to get in and out. And I needed another phone, so I had to buy this one. And yeah, it's so big. I mean, look at the size. I mean, it's ridiculous. I don't like it, but this I like. This is good. It's almost in April it'd be 2 years old. 2 years old.
So I think iPhone is the most popular phone all over the world. But how is
No.
No?
No. The most popular one I would have said is probably Samsung.
Samsung.
Yes. It's expensive. iPhone.
Samsung. Because iPhone is too expensive.
Yes. Well, it's not. It's because people don't want to spend it. But once you start on Apple, then
you cannot
everything needs
back.
to get. No. I started. My first one was iPhone 3.
2007?
2008.
2008.
Yes. The iPhone 2 came out in 2007. Yeah. But so I bought it October 2008, the iPhone 3. Yeah, and I've had one ever since. Then I changed it to an iPhone 6 and now changed it to the SE. Yeah. And we have iPad. We have two MacBook Airs. My wife has one. I have one. She has an iPad. I had a mini iPad. So I've had lots of Apple. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I got that too, but based on what you are doing,
Hmm.
the lots of apps are not supported on Mac. So
Mhm.
if you do some designing,
Yes.
I use the specific software. I can
Hmm.
only use Windows rather than Mac.
Okay. Yes. Which is,
So,
so you got two phones,
no,
only one.
only one phone, but I got a MacBook Air M2.
Yeah.
M2 is a
Yeah.
chip.
Yeah. Which is this is what I'm on now. I'm on the
You are using
MacBook
now.
Air
Okay.
with an M2 chip. Yes.
M2.
Yes. Yes.
M2 is a lot bit better good looking than M1.
Well, I picked up the M1 for my wife. When we
Ah,
upgraded, it was about 300 euros cheaper. It was being sold basically because the M2 had come out, and the M1 was still available at a
yeah.
very good price, and she doesn't need. So we bought she's got the M1 MacBook Air, and I've got the M2 MacBook Air,
Mhm.
and
I
my
got one
son's got the MacBook
for
Pro. Son's got the MacBook Pro. Mm.
I got one for my wife. He cannot use lots of apps, so he give back to me, and I got him a Windows AUSU.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
It's
I must admit,
also
I don't use many apps, to be honest. But obviously your wife needs to use apps.
he has some local apps. He's previously an attorney or a lawyer. He has to use some.
Your wife is a lawyer.
Not anymore. He do the company stuff. But it's also
Okay,
law related. He have to attend to
okay.
the court.
Hmm. But she's still a lawyer, but for a company.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay, very good. So that goes. You're the engineer. She's the lawyer. Very good.
Yeah.
Charlie, see you again
Bye.
soon. Enjoy the rest
Bye.
of your evening. Okay.